Greetings from Ekudden, this clothing optional nudist beach spot in Flaten Nature Reserve on Lake Flaten. It is 11th of August 2025, 12 o'clock right now, and despite the forecast said it's going to be mostly cloudy today, now at the time of this episode the sun is up and it is time for yet another beach adventure with Kris from Flaten. And it took me just 22 minutes to get here with my Scott gravel bike, 8.4 kilometers, and I am all alone on this beautiful beach spot out in the nature. We have 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and soon we're gonna find out how warm it is in Lake Flaten. As you can see, the water is super see-through and super clean, which will make a beautiful beach adventure indeed. And I'm not just gonna go in for a quick dip, I'm also going to swim for 30 minutes in the lake, as I think it's going to be quite warm temperature. I'm just so happy to continue my beach adventures. Today is beach day number 87, I believe so. Time flies indeed, and with such beautiful nature, it's so amazing to be able to get by bicycle to this spot just 20 minutes from my home. It's unbelievable. Let's see what we are dealing with. 22 degrees Celsius. Let's see. Yeah, between 22 and 23, but we're gonna round up at 22 degrees, which is super amazing and super hot. So I'm really looking forward to swim for half an hour later, around 1 kilometer that I usually swim. To be fair, yesterday on the sea I did 2 times 15 minutes because it was too cold to be for a longer than 15 minutes in the water at once. That was on the sea. In Reykjavik it was 19 degrees Celsius in the sea. So let's then go in for a swim, as I am showing you more of this secluded nudist beach spot Ekudden on Lake Flaten. Here we have beautiful forest all around, and here we have even more secluded beach spot that's perfect to lay down as well and to sunbathe in this beautiful beach spot. We can see on the other side of the lake the Stora Flattenbadet, as well as the 2 smaller ones on the other side. And yeah, all around the whole lake of Flaten, which is my favorite lake in Stockholm. It's super amazing to see through the lake, even though there are some water plants here. It's still super nice and clean, and I see also lots of fish now that are passing by here. So yeah, let's continue the beach adventures as planned and enjoy now a nice swim in this beautiful lake of Flaten. Woo! That's amazing. That's brilliant indeed. Summer is still not giving up the hope, and it's going to be also a lot warmer later this week, up to 26 degrees Celsius on Friday. So I'm really looking forward to that, and hopefully I will be on the sea then as well, on the Baltic Sea, to enjoy. But that is a wrap from this beautiful Lake Flaten and Ekudden, this secluded nudist beach spot. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.